boom, I got cranium. Here's my second video for the day. And yeah, pretty impressive. My mom got me this too. Other than the marshmallow gun she got me, I got Cranium, the board game. What can I say about it? Don't know, never played it, gonna open it. How exciting. Another unboxing on the same day. Let's come right off. Comes with a little advertisement for merchandise. Yeah, you can get a cool little hat. Cool little hat. A cool little key. And some other merchandise. Really cool, I guess, but no, I'm not interested. Instruction manual, again, we don't care. And here's the board itself. Here's the board. I'll open it up. Hold on. Alright, here it is.
I feel like watermelon.
Sorry I can't show you well. It's just my camera's too small. Notepad. Notepad. Wait, hold on. Excuse me. Oh, sorry.
I never watched this movie before.
Alright, here's some... What is this? Okay, this goes with clay. Cranium clay. Here's the cranium clay. I'm not sure what this is for, but I'm not really... Just purple clay. I've never played this game before. Kind of smells bad, but... I'll find the purpose of this when I start to play cranium. And of course, our most important notepads. Comes with a bunch of them. Actually, I already showed you the notepad, but it comes with a bunch. Here's our game pieces. And here's our time. Oh, that's so cool, a timer. Oh, that's so cool. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, it comes with a really cool timer. I like that. And some other pieces. I don't know what it's for. And here are the cards. Each has their own character. Here's the worm. Just answer. You know the characters. You know those. If you don't know them, yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, the clay looks really cool. I like the clay. I don't know. Favorite part of the whole board game, actually. There you go. I like this. I like this type time stop thing. Whatever. No. Anyway, what is that? Salt? Whatever. Anyway, that goes back where it was. I said it's not a really pressure boxing video. It was almost time to go to bed anyway. Back in here. There we go. Board game back in there. And that's it, guys. I'll make another box video soon. So goodbye.